I would like to invest because ultimately I wish to be financially free. I had made a lot of bad investment decisions before, and that has cost me a lot. And I think it makes more sense to come and learn to invest properly and then do the investment. It took me a painful lesson to learn that we should not do the journey by ourselves, or let's say we shouldn't just think that we can entrust it into somebody else's hand because it is our own money. We need to think about what is it that you wish to get out of investing your money and how would that actually change your life. Because I think that this is going to change my life. One of the very interesting things to me was the stories that I hear about the experience of investing. And that's what you cannot get in a book. And the other thing is the stories that help us to learn what we need to learn in terms of how to put it into practice. Those are my favorite parts. I think the most helpful lesson was probably to learn the strategy in a step-by-step manner on how to actually search and then assess and finally decide. I think that was really helpful. I came to a course which I find that there's a lot of value, and coincidentally it's called value investing. And I really think that this course should be able to benefit if I can actually help others. Yeah, so I would actually recommend it to other people.